In this video, I'll show you how you can open Mozilla Firefox settings. I'll also give you general information about these settings so you can find what setting you're looking for. So once you've opened Mozilla Firefox, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Then if you scroll all the way to the bottom of this window, you'll then be able to see settings. Once you've clicked on that, you'll then be in general settings. In general, you can customize things like what tabs will open when you start up Firefox, and what happens when you open a new tab. You can also customize your appearance here of Firefox, including whether you want it on light or dark mode. Here we can then go to home on the left. Here you can customize things like what will happen when you open a new tab and what will be shown. So we've got things like the weather and Firefox shortcuts. Then you've got search, and this will be your search engine settings. You've got privacy and security, which is where you'll be able to clear your browsing data. And that is about it for the basic settings. That's how you do it.